Union Minister of Development of North-Eastern Region G. Kishan Reddy has lauded the Assam Rifles for its contribution towards peace and tranquility in the North-Eastern region. While addressing the gathering during the 188th Raising Day of the Assam Rifles held at its Directorate General Headquarters at Laikor here today, the Union Minister said that the oldest paramilitary force in the country has rightly and fondly been recognized by the indigenous population as the Friends of the Northeast. The Union Minister of Donor said that the development activities have picked up in the past few years since the region's militancy problem has been controlled. It may be mentioned that the Assam Rifles is the oldest paramilitary force in India. It was raised in 1845 under the British Raj under the name Kachar Levy.
मुझे आकर बहुत भी गर्व, मैं सम्मान भी महसूस कर रहा हूं। आप लोगों से, अपने लोगों से एक बार फिर से जुड़ना व्यक्तिगत मेरे लिए भी बहुत खुशी की बात है।